I want to share with you an easy method to understand dot work when tattooing human skin. So I'm going to be running at 5 volts for the sake of this demonstration. I'm using a 103 round liner, and then I'm going to be starting off with a diluted ink of about 20%. So this is about 4 drops, and this is the first one in my drop system. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of establish a boundary here. So that way we're going to be applying dot work in this area. Like so, okay? And then in here, I'm going to go ahead and begin applying the first layer of dot work using a 5-point system. And what that means is I'm going to literally use 5 points to create the first layer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna go over here, repeat the 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you're gonna notice that as soon as I feel the needle hit the skin, I'm not really going beyond that. I'm just allowing the rounds that the needle makes and that initial hit to do its job. And you can see that I have that first layer of dots right there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and kind of continue until I get to the bottom. And the reason why I went back in those single dots was just to fill in the areas that my 5-point system isn't getting, which is completely fine. And since I'm using a lighter gray wash, I'm not going too dark too quickly either. So you can kind of see that's the first layer building up. And I try to follow that 5-point system all the way across as cleanly as I can until I'm done. I'm just filling out here. You can see I'm doing the single dots because there's not enough room to do a 5-point system there. And that would be the first layer of dots, as you can see. And then from here, I can go ahead and begin adding another layer. If I want, I can change the tone. I can go to like 40% if I'd like, or I can stick with 20 and then keep building up. And then I would repeat that process by layering another layer of dots like so. And you can see so far the technique is okay. It's very minimal on the skin. And then to start getting smooth shades, I'm going to even use whip shading like so from this point, because I want the top part to be the darkest. And then I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of cross hatching this way to define this and darken it right here. And then I would just keep continuing to build the tones the way that I want. But you can see that now I'm getting the dot work and gradients going on, and depending on the tone that I'm choosing would determine the level of saturation. So right now I dipped into a darker ink. If I went back and I applied another layer of dot work right here, it's going to get a little bit darker now, as you can see. And this is a kind of like definitive where you can layer up on the skin without causing damage if your technique is correct. So it really is about your technical application and the way that you approach depositing ink into the skin. And keep in mind, I'm not using a standard 3, I'm using a 003 round liner, which is below a standard. And there you go. So that would be an area of dot work that would almost be considered done. From here, it's up to me. I can go ahead and, add some more gradient should I choose to do so. I can leave it like that and move on to the next area within the design that I'm doing. But you can see though that there's minimal damage to the skin. It's actually not really painful at all either. And that's a good sign that we're not overworking the skin. And what I would do is just use whip shading to really define all of this. And you can see that I can even use cross hatching going in this direction to help smooth things out. And I've gone over this area many times. It's going to be artist preference on when we need to stop or when we decide to stop. There is no wrong or right, as long as we're not overworking the skin and as long as we have a specific goal in mind in terms of the way that this is supposed to look. That would be the main objective, really. And then I'm gonna go ahead and smooth it out and add a little bit more saturation by going this way. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and dab away, wipe away, and that right there is exactly how we would go about applying dot work on human skin.